Good morning. My full name is Jesus Javier Caicedo. This is the course English Conversation. Now I'm going to do my homework according to activity guide and speak about the topic in the class. Well, first of all, I'm going to say that my full name is Jesus Javier Caicedo. I'm an office worker. I work in the pilot company for many time. I have been learning English about 10 or 11 years ago. I'm still taking English course. I had 3 children, a son and 2 daughters. And I got married 20 years ago. And I have been working for maybe 2 years. I have been looking for another job because I need more money. I need to get more money to finish my career. This is my last semester this year. Maybe I finish my career at the end of the years. I want to speak now about the topic, and just want to say that maybe the people who speak many languages only know basic thing, because in the video the author say that one person can speak 50, 20 or different language. I say that I disagree with that approach, because some polyglots don't learn language well. There is a huge gap requirement to develop the skill. It takes time. It takes efforts. But not, he can speak language, but not the full language, because it's very difficult to speak many languages. Maybe we can speak 1 or 2 or 3 languages, but not fluently. I have a friend. He came from Nigeria, Abuja. Abuja is the capital of Nigeria. And this guy said to me that he can speak German, Spanish, French, and English. But he told me that we can learn it, but it's difficult to speak another language. So what is the reason that I can say that to improve another language is very difficult? But I agree when the author say that we can do it. Yeah, of course we can do it, but not it's enough to speak simple words. We need to work so hard to have a skill or ability to speak another language. It's not easy. Yeah. In conclusion, maybe many people around the world speak different language according to the place that they live. For example, if the person live in Canada, he had opportunity to speak French, because in Canada there are 2 official language, English language and French language. and sometimes in a little part of the country speak Spanish. But the people who live there have the opportunity to speak with many people, many countries, many different cultures. And what is the reason that I can say that it's not too easy, but some people have opportunity to learn a different language. Okay, all right, that is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for everything that